Okay, so today I'm going to be trying to replace this unit here, which is the climate control unit on a 2022 Kia Sportage. I got a quote from Kia and they said to replace it, including labour, would be about $3,000. So I got online and I found a site in the UK, and they've sent over this replacement part, and it cost me, including shipping, $250 Australian. So I'm going to have a crack at seeing if I can replace it myself. Okay, so the first thing I did was remove the door trim so I can access to this panel here on the side, and I've just jimmied this open, and it's just got these little clips in here that pop out, and as you can see in here there's a little screw just here that holds this panel on. We have to remove that to get access to the screws that hold the climate control panel in. So we've removed the panel here, and as you can see it's the same again. It's just a matter of a bunch of little clips that you pop out, and so now you can see here we got access to the screws that hold in the control panel, and we're just going to remove those and see if we can get the old panel off and chuck the new one on. So I've taken the screws out. There's one little screw here and another screw here, and as you can see by the back of the new one, you can see where the where those little clips are, and it gives you an idea of where you've got to try and jimmy them off. Okay, so see how we go. So there we are. I've removed the old panel. You can see it's just a number of clips in here, and that's where the screws were. So as you can see, the wiring's still on all the back, and you just swap it over one for one, and we should be right to put the new one in. Okay, so that's the new one put in, wired up all the pre-existing harnesses and everything. Just about to screw it back on and give it a test run. Okay, now test run. So it's all come on. Yep, everything works. Everything's working fine. Yep.
Question.
Yep.
2 studies on sex.
Beautiful.
And the first one,
Job's done. The only issue that I had, I'll just turn this radio off. The only issue I had was there's a little hose, hang on the back of the unit, which goes into this spot here. On the back of this part here, there's a hose, and I'm pretty sure it's the thermostat. And the only issue that I had was that on the UK one that I got, the hose fitting is actually smaller than the one here in Australia. So what I did was I just popped, this is where the hose sits, I just popped that section, it just clips out, and it's, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's got a little inside there's a little wire, there it is. So that will be the thermostat for your temperature control, and so it just clipped out, and I put the old one, clipped that out of the old unit and put it into the new one, and the hose fits fine. Okay, that was the only issue that I had. Apart from that, I reckon half hour's work, and it saved me $2,750. Good job. Hope you enjoy, guys.